What's up, everyone? Back with another video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for the SPC Tacoma upper control arms. I ordered these from Running for Tacos. Shout out to them for the fast shipping. Alright, so it comes in their box and then SCP's or SPC box as well. Let's see here. All right. Oh man, these things are nice. Beefy, way better than stock. These things feel solid. Ball joints, they come with a new bolt and cotter pin, or nut and cotter pin. Here are the end caps that go on either side of the control arm, and then they include a sticker. The other control arm, I'm not going to pull that one out because it's the same thing. They have all the directions on how to set your caster based off the passenger side and the driver's side. Super nice and a lot of information. Can't wait to install these. My Dobson suspension is supposed to be here today, but of course FedEx ruined those plans, like always. If I had an option not to use FedEx ever, I would definitely choose that option. That's the SPC upper control arm unboxing. I'll be installing these and probably doing a video hopefully tomorrow, but I'll be posting the video as soon as possible once I post or install them. If you have any questions, let me know. Right now I'm running the Icon. I'm gonna show you real quick. Running the Icon Tubular upper control arms. They're nice, but they require a lot more maintenance than the SPC upper control arms, so I'm pretty excited about these. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.